Scenes like this from 45 years ago still can send chills down your spine.
45 years ago, the blizzard of '78 is still a vivid memory for many, as WBZ meteorologist Wroblewski shows us.
Millions of tons of snow have been removed, but many roads remain snow-clogged.
Mountains of snow, abandoned cars littered along the highway, whipping winds, and an ocean so angry, floodwaters broke seawalls and took over streets.
Here it is the morning after the great storm.
The blizzard of '78 to many is the worst storm in their memory, the benchmark of just how bad it can be. The region was at a standstill for weeks as some communities saw 2 to 4 feet of snow, and viewers who lived through it have vivid memories. Most kids during that time, like Tara McPherson, recall snowbanks above their heads. There was no school for weeks and days without power, and streets filled with more sleds than cars. College kids enjoyed the time off too, whether stranded at the Beanpot or taking their talents like this Brown University student to the snowbanks, creating some impressive sculptures. Cleanup took weeks. Tom Kenny from Melrose shared this picture of digging out the family 1972 Chevy Iceberg, he called it. And at the coast, Donna shared these pictures of firefighters in Winthrop, traveling the streets by boat to help those who needed it. She recalls the memory of making hot cocoa for the hardworking National Guard. In Scituate, Jamie shared a similar scene of significant damage from collapsed buildings to boulders tossed like pebbles from all of the floodwater. It's been 45 years, and since then, it still remains the benchmark storm. And we've seen similar storms with even higher snowfall totals, but thanks to better infrastructure, advances in technology, and communication, we're now better prepared. Still, the memories will live on. I'm meteorologist Wroblewski, WBZ News.